Hi, and welcome, of course, to Anna Rooney and Paul Rees weekly power shots. So we're going to come into you every week with just a few minutes of what we consider to be one of the most important insights to the start of your working week. So Anna, we're here. Happy days. And what are we kicking off with this week?
Yeah, just to say that this idea today really came up. We're supposed to have a very different conversation, Paul, but here we are coming with this because of the inspiration from our earlier meeting at 7:15 this morning at our engage meeting to ECI, wasn't it? And
yeah,
I'm buzzing still. And the question today we want to discuss is the membership and how your membership fee actually, what is the return on your membership fee?
Yeah.
And how is it working for you or not?
I mean, so many people out there, and it's true, so many people out there pay high volume membership fees thinking that that's enough to make that person successful. But effectively, it's like, you know, what happens is that the analogy I have is that people pay a membership to go to a gym, but then effectively walk past the gym and then say to people, oh, I've been to the gym, when you have not. And that's exactly what happens. So there are so many that blame the membership fee for not making them successful. So they will say, I'm paying £300 a month. Why is this not working? No.
Yeah.
It's
but
not,
is it the thing
working.
That is it the thing that, Paul, if I paid membership fee, I'm already successful?
Yeah, that's
part of it. And I am done. Yeah. And but if you don't engage, if you don't participate, if you don't take the material of wisdom from others, which is it's a privileged place to be, where people actually vulnerable share their wisdom, share their mistakes. They save you time by giving their examples, how they overcome that whatever that challenge was in their business or life. And then you think, I pay my membership and things are done for me.
I think what happens
actually doesn't work in reality.
I know what happens is that people come to certain network events, regardless of what our network is named, and they generally come because of the reputation the network event holds. Then assuming they'll pay for what is that membership fee, and then the reputation of the network is actually going to grow their business, not understanding that you are paying a fee so I can be there and share something with you. I am paying a fee so you can be there to share something with me. But if I'm not turning up, it means your fee also gets diluted.
Absolutely.
And my fee is a complete waste, because if I'm not dedicating, and this is a case, guys, you should be dedicating a 95% turn up. If you're not, then please take your membership somewhere else, so the people that are paying in your network event can rely on consistency. Without consistency, my membership gets diluted and yours does.
Is that something you said about the engine earlier, Paul? What was that?
That's the thing. So let's say any network platform, I'm going to use the ECI because that's where we've been this morning. That's the engine.
Yeah.
So effectively, that's providing me the engine. Now I've still got to turn up and put the key in and actually turn the engine on and get it going. Or I'm going to say my membership fee is the fuel that's keeping that engine running. But
so basically what you're saying, your membership fee bought the engine, bought the car, but it's still on your drive now. And unless you actually start and steer it, it's not going to go anywhere, isn't it?
Absolutely. And if you've got, if effectively we'd all put it into that engine, with all a different piece of that engine, but if there's a piece that only occasionally turns up, that engine is not at its fullest potential in running. And that's what happens.
Something else, Paul, you said earlier, and I said I'm going to write it down, which I have. We were talking about the monetary increase to your membership.
Yes.
And how does that work? So it's what your money needs from you to make more money.
Absolutely.
Let's leave that with our audience. So we asked the audience, did you ever ask a question, if you have any paid memberships, right? What your money needs from you to make more money. And see what you come up with.
Yeah, absolutely. And let's leave it at that, guys, So we'll be back, of course, this time next week with another Anna Rooney and Paul Rees Power Shot. And this week it's all about you, your membership, and being accountable, Anna, do you think?
Absolutely. Self-accountability. I will go there first.
Happy days. Okay, see you this time next week, guys.
Bye.